Hello everyone, welcome back to Tonghacks channel. So today I want to share the tutorials how to translate several information into another language in a spreadsheet by iOS or iPhone. So here I already have my documents open and I already have 4 tables on it. On the first table I already have the information that I want to translate into several languages, which is Indonesian, Arabic and Spain. So here we just need to use the formula of Google Translate. So first please click the one rows and then make it active, and now just input the formula, which is equal, type Google Translate, click, and then just put the information which words that you want to translate first. Okay, and then use these symbols and then give a space. Just follow the formula. Since I translated from English to Indonesia, put the first language first. Okay, and then the language that you want to translate to. And then just click. And now it's already translated. Now just autofills into the next rows. And now all of the information is already translated into the Indonesian. It's gonna be the same for Arabic too. Use the same formula, which is the Google Translate. Put the information, you can choose banana, or you can just pisang instead. It's up to you, but don't forget to put the first language of the words that you want to translate to. And then for the next is the language that you want to translate into. AR for the Arabic, and then just click. Okay, and now block and do the autofills. Okay, and then for Spain it's just the same. Just change the code of the language that you want to use. So choose the words informations, enter the code. Alright, and then the code of the second language, and now just click. I think I missed enter, so it's just yes for the Spain. Right, and then just blocked. Sorry, block it, and then do the autofill. Right, so it's already translated into the 3 languages, which is Indonesia, Arabic and Spain. So that's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and subscribe.